curious about how to make spicy beans Mexican style at home? Today I'm sharing how to make my favorite spicy beans. I always use this fajita and taco mix, and suddenly I thought, oh no, what happens if I run out? Can I make an authentic Mexican spice mix at home? And guess what? I did. I made the perfect spice mix, so I'm going to share it with you today. So I've got all my ingredients set here ready to pop in. So we're using a tin of crushed tomatoes, a tin of black beans that I've drained and rinsed. We've got a lot of paprika, that's sweet paprika, 3 teaspoons. We've got a 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin. We've got some cayenne pepper, chili flakes, onion flakes or granules, or you can use onion powder, or you can use a real onion, and oregano, ground coriander, black pepper, a pinch of salt, and we've got ground cloves and a pinch of cinnamon. That's it. That's all I'm going to put in. But if you want the full recipe, jump over to suemaree.com. Let's start the induction hob. So I've got a drizzle of oil in there, and I'm just going to put in a little bit of the tomato. And then all we do is just add all the spices in straight away. And we're going to cook them a little bit until they're fragrant. We'll do a pinch of cloves and a pinch of cinnamon. It's going to heat this up for a minute until all the spices are fragrant. See, it smells great already. So I use this all the time for, we mainly have nachos, so this is what I use it for. Okay, now I'm smelling it. I'm going to throw in the rest of the tomatoes. Now we make this for a serving of 2, so if you've got a family, you could probably double it. And if you want to make the spice and leave it in a jar, I'd probably triple it or times it by 4 and store it in a jar. And then all the black beans. We just heat that up for about 5 minutes. Look how good that looks. So it's bubbling away, so we'll just do a little mixing dance. We'll call this the stirring, the Sue Maree Peas stirring dance. Just feel when you dance, when you cook, it just makes everything so much more fun. That's it. That's my quick and easy how to make spicy beans. And then that's ready. I can pop it in the fridge, ready to make nachos for tonight. It's a good one to prep ahead of time, and you can have it ready for when you want a quick meal. So here you have it, my spicy beans. Smelling delicious. I can't wait to try them. I'm going to turn them into nachos with beans tonight. Let me know if you've liked my video today. Quick and easy, easy to make, authentic Mexican at home that tastes great. Share this with a friend. Hit the thumbs up if you've liked it. Subscribe if you're new here today, and don't forget, hit the bell and then you get notified when I've got a new video, and I'll see you next time. But stick around. I'll pop some links to more videos that you might want to watch. I'll see you next time. Bye.